Turnitin is used by the university to detect plagiarism in assignments, but also to provide you with feedback on the similarity of your work with other sources prior to your final submission. This feedback can be used to improve your work and ensure you have referenced correctly. In this short video, we'll be showing you how to use and access these test areas, which are made available outside of your normal Blackboard course area. Log into Blackboard using your normal username and password. At the top of the page, click on the Skills at Cumbria tab. In the right-hand area of the window, click on the link to the Turnitin test area. The Using Turnitin Blackboard page opens. Select the Turnitin test area link. If you've not previously enrolled onto this course, the warning message and Enroll onto this course button will be displayed. Click on the Enroll onto this course button. Confirm your enrollment by clicking on the Submit button. Confirmation of your enrollment is displayed, and you can press the OK button to continue. This will take you to the referencing area of the Blackboard site with useful information on referencing and plagiarism. Click on the Using Turnitin tab from the menu items on the left of the screen. From the Using Turnitin page, click on the Turnitin test area link again. The message at the top of the screen now indicates that you've successfully enrolled. You can see that 4 test areas are available to you. Why 4? And why do we need a test area anyway? When you submit your assignment to Turnitin through your course link, the assignment is compared with existing sources, and at the same time a copy of your resource is stored in the database. When you resubmit, assuming resubmissions have been authorized and that the submission date has not been passed, your original copy will be overwritten and stored on the database. We want you to use Turnitin to improve your writing, and so we've provided these 4 areas to give you the opportunity to check the similarity of your work before the submission date is normally available. When you submit to the test area, your work will not be saved on the Turnitin database. Start by submitting to Test Area 1 and look at the Similarity report. If you need to make some changes and then resubmit to the same area, it will be 24 hours until you receive your report. So if you want feedback on your changes before that time to check if your amendments have solved any issues, then you can move to Test Area 2 and even 3 and 4 if necessary. So we'll assume now that you've finished your assignment. Turnitin will accept most formats of documents, including Word, OpenOffice and PDF. Mac users, if using Pages, should ensure they save the document as a PDF or plain text file. The file size should not exceed 20 megabytes. When you're ready to submit, click on the View Complete link of the test area you wish to use. As this is only a test area, these dates have no significance and are updated to ensure that they are always available for students to check their work. When you're ready, click on the Submit button. Your name is normally entered by default. You should give your submission title a meaningful name. In this area, you will see the guidelines on the file size and file types that are acceptable for Turnitin submission. When you're ready, click on the Browse button. A new window opens, allowing you to navigate to your file. When you select your file, press the Open button, and the path to your file will be displayed here. Now press the Upload button. The second step gives you the opportunity to preview your document and ensure that this is indeed the correct submission. Click on the Submit button if you are confident you wish to continue. A digital receipt is now displayed, showing only the first page of your document. This will be followed up by an email to your student account. Although you're allowed to submit to this specific test area again almost immediately, the report will not be available for 24 hours. By clicking the Go to Portfolio area, you can view your assignment. In this case, the similarity is only 3%, and by clicking on the coloured square, a more detailed report can be viewed. Any matching text is highlighted and numbered within the text area on the left of the screen. On the right of the screen, the corresponding source is identified. This is not necessarily the original source of the document, but the first instance found in the Turnitin database. In this particular case, I have referenced correctly Stevens 2012 and enclosed the text in quote marks. I should, of course, have a complete reference in my bibliography at the end of the document in Cite Them Right format. For help in using Turnitin, look at our resources on the Skills area of the website or the Skills at Cumbria tab in Blackboard. Further assistance is available by emailing digitalskills@cumbria.ac.uk.